Welcome back to Weekend Smile. Recording artist Ken Ellis is one of a few of the recipients of the Kingston Creative Travel Grant. He joins us now to share his experience participating in the UNESCO Creative Cities Forum in Mexico. Hi Ken, how are you?
Hey,
Welcome to Weekend Smile.
Hey Ken.
Hey.
So let's jump right in. First of all, how were you selected to receive the grant? How was that process?
Well, they said it was pretty easy because I was always a part of Kingston Creative, as a musician, and I always been there performing and doing the art walks and stuff. So yeah, they said I was an easy pick for.
It was obvious choice.
Yeah.
Like, of course, Ken.
Yeah.
All right.
Tell us a little bit about UNESCO Creative Cities Forum. What is it all about?
Well, it's a forum about connecting cultures. The different aspects of cultures like gastronomy, design, art, music, So it's all like a combination of all those into one forum where we can all collaborate when we link up.
Okay.
So it was a very good forum for creatives.
I see you have your guitar.
Yeah.
I see you're into music. How long have you been doing music?
Roughly like 7 years. Yeah.
Okay. And why is it so important for opportunities such as these, especially when it comes to the creative industry, musicians, artists, whether you're an artisan, just to name a few, why are these opportunities so important?
Well, it's always good because they get to, as I said, they get to collaborate with other fellow creatives, in the field, not just music alone, but you have artists, you have people that's chef, cooking, people with designing buildings, architectures. So it's a bunch of art.
It's a nice melting pot of creatives.
And music and art goes together.
Goes hand in hand. Yeah, creativity is a thing. It's life. When it goes through everything and it's, it connects everybody.
Yeah,
so
creativity is like the fuel for the future.
Yes, I believe it's worth. I've been a creative myself. Like Tali just mentioned, you are obviously
into
a musician,
Yeah.
into music. Now we hear a lot of artists talks a lot about creating their own sound. A globally recognizable sound. What is your sound, and is there a fusion of genres, or is it just one specific thing? Tell us a little bit about your sound.
My sound is jazz, it's soul, it's roots, it's reggae, it's blues, so it's a combination of all those genres put together into this one sound, and of course it's Jamaican. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay, what are you most looking forward to from this experience?
Just more collaborative work, I mean? I like creatives, and I like to create. So whether it be art or music, I've always been involved. So it's more about collaborations.
Awesome. And you mentioned the collaborations. That's how you plan to build on this experience overall?
Sure, definitely. And I've met some wonderful people down there in Mexico. That's so nice.
Okay, all
And you
right.
did that this weekend was when you were doing your whole representing.
I came back like Sunday.
Okay. All right. Well, Ken, we're looking forward to hearing from you. I know you have something cooking for us. You have some sweet, soulful sounds for us. So we're excited to hear from you.
Sure.
Yeah, man. Do you think?
Nice.
Look at the trees dancing on and on. How do you feel? Look at the skies with your hopes and dreams, so high they fly high. You don't need to worry now. Take your time, don't you hurry now, no. The sun will shine again after the rain falls. The sun will shine again after the rain falls. Look at the trees dancing on and on. How do you feel? Do you realize if you have some faith, you can go anywhere now? We are gonna see the day. We're gonna see a brighter way, where the sun will shine again after the rain falls. The day, the sun will shine